We have another phone caller on the line, Rhonda from Mariana. She has a VA question. Rhonda, you can go ahead with your question now.
Yes, I'm the spouse of a veteran, and he passed in 2005, and that makes me 67 now, and I do get a widow's benefit check, but and I get meds by mail. But I want to know if there's any other benefits that may can help me, because I'm on fixed income and I'm old.
I'm not sure I understood the question.
Oh, she's asking, Zach, it was a little hard to hear there, but she was asking whether or not she's entitled to any more benefits through the VA that maybe she's not already obtaining now.
Well, that would depend on exactly what kind of benefits that her husband's entitled to at this point in time. Generally speaking, the veteran is going to be entitled to disability if they're up to 100% disability, and there may be some other problems like they're bedridden or can't leave the house, or the spouse is providing all of their care. There may be some other compensation that they can apply for. It's called special medical compensation through the VA. Some other benefits that may be available to dependents or a spouse may be some education type benefits. They may be able to get an automobile that's fitted for certain conditions.
I think in this situation, Zach, she was actually saying that her husband had passed away
in 2005.
In 2005. So
okay,
as a widow and widow benefits,
yeah, what
is she able to
then if he was 100% and he was 100% disabled for 10 years before he passed away, she can get dependency and indemnity. Or he passed away because of a service connected, she can also get what's called dependency and indemnity compensation. And I would encourage her to apply for it if in fact that's what happened.
So let me ask a silly question, because I'm sorry, Courtney, I don't mean to cut you
No,
off
it's okay.
there.
I was going to ask him to clarify what those words mean, because someone who doesn't know, I'd love to. I'm sure there are viewers sitting there going, "What do those words mean?"
Well, do two things for a second. Define what those words mean,
Yes.
but if you are if you qualify for them because these are benefits from the military, do they automatically give them to you, or you have to fight for them?
No, you have to apply for that and potentially fight for that.
Okay.
In fact, you may have to go in and prove that it was a service-connected disability that in fact caused the death of the loved one or the spouse that would entitle her to the money. But the dependency claim would come in that when the spouse that died was being compensated, part of that compensation is actually for a dependent that would be a spouse.
And can you define what you just brought up? A lot of big words in that answer to Rhonda. What benefits are you talking about when you talk about Rhonda's benefits?
It would be a monthly payment that would take the place of the actual VA disability payment that the veteran was getting.